welcome. Today in front of me Doogee S98 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So let's first select the screen where we want to add the widget. We should hold for a while first our device home screens, one from the home screens, and after that let's select, for example, the new one. And after that we should click on the left down corner to the widgets icon, click here once, and now we can see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, we can see we should click here to analog clock and we can see that we have here only two widgets. For example, in contacts we have the 3-1, and let's use, for example, the calendar widget. We can use here the calendar shadow or the months view if you want. Let's use the shadow. Just to add the widget, hold it, and after that drag it to the, for example, to the screen. Let's use it. Okay, let's use it one more time. We have unfortunately we have not here a lot of space, so let's use the new screen. So just we should create it, just hold it and drag it to create the new screen. If you want to change the size of the widget, just we can make it bigger or smaller by this way. We can move the widget between the screens also. For example, let's move it here. That's not a problem, as you can see. And if you want to remove the widget, just hold it and click here to remove icon. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.